we are going to discuss how to multiply any two natural numbers whose sum of unit digit is 5 and remaining part of each number is equal. Now that means, let me show you one example. Suppose if you take 62 into 63. 62 into 63. Look at here, the sum of the unit digit is 5, the condition is satisfied, and the remaining parts are same. So here multiplying these kind of numbers is very easy. Let me tell you. First of all, you have to divide your answer into two parts. It is all about multiplication only, not necessary to worry much. Divide your answer into two parts, the right side part and the left side part. First, let us discuss about the right side part. The right side part, the occupancy should be of always 2 digits. Occupancy is of 2 digits. Occupancy is of 2 digits. So what is 2 into 3? First you have to write the multiplication of these two. What is 2 into 3? 6. But since the occupancy should be of 2 digits, we should write 06 here. 06. Now come to the left side part. The remaining numbers are same, right? These two numbers are same. 6 and multiply these two numbers. What is 6 into 6? 6 into 6 or 6 square, whatever it is, 36, right? Write this 36 here. And after that, what is the half of this number 6 that we are handling? Half of 6. Half of 6 is 3. So add this number to 36. And now you can write the results continuously. 36 plus 3 is 39. 0606 you can write directly. So your answer is 3906. So if you are practiced enough, it will be very easy for you. Let us go for another example. I will show you another example. It is really very easy. Suppose 81 into 84. Yes, sum of the unit digit is 5 and the remaining numbers are same. Dividing the answer into two parts, the right side part and the left side part. Right side part should always have 2 digits occupancy. What is 1 into 4? 1 into 4 is 4, but you have to write as 2 digits, that means the answer is 04. Now left side part, what is 8 into 8? 8 into 8 or 8 square? 64. And now what is half of 8? Half of 8 is 4. 64 plus 4 is 68. 6804 is your answer. See how easy it is. Now we will go for another example. Suppose 40 into 45. Friends, 40 into 45 is very easy. Actually, a shortcut is not necessary for these kind of calculations. Everybody knows the answer will be 1800. But still, let us verify whether our shortcut is working or not. Units number is, sum is 5 and the remaining part is same. Dividing the answer into two parts. The right side part should be of 2 digits. 0 into 5 is 0. So I am writing 0 as 2 digits, 00. Remaining thing 4 square. 4 square is 16. What is half of 4? Half of 4 is 2. So your answer will be 1800. 1800. Okay, now one more example. 161 into 164. So unit digit number sum is 4 and the remaining numbers are same. What is 1 into 4? 1 into 4, 2 digits, 04. 04. Right side part I am making it 2 digits, 04. Now 16 into 16 is 256. 256, what is half of 16? 8 is 8. So 26404. 26404, right? Okay. Now friends, in all these cases we have seen the remaining part, whatever you are handling here, if you just go for a glance, the remaining part in each and every case is a even number, right? See here, the 6 and 6. 6 is an even number. Here there is 8. 8 is an even number. Here there is 4. 4 is an even number. That is why we are getting the half value as exactly as a natural number. Here also you can see 16 and 16. 16 and 16 is a even number. So half of 16 is 8. Sometimes we can have a odd number in that place. Sometimes we can have an odd number in that place. That is the actual issue which comes in this kind of question. Suppose there is a multiplication called 51 into 54. Yes, 1 plus 4 is 5, remaining parts are same, but the remaining part is an odd number, right? So again the same thing, divide the answer into two parts. The right side part should be of 2 digits occupancy. So 1 into 4 is equal to 4. 4 we can write as 0, 4. Now 5 square, 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is 25. So first you write that 25, 25, 25, right? So what is half of 5? Half of 5 is 2.5. So we have to add that number. So my dear friends, now 25 plus 2.5 is 27.5, right? So now the trick is you need not put any points. Just continuously write and place this 5 in the place of this 0. 27.504 you are getting like this, right? So this 5 is there. You can write in the place of 0. You can replace it with 0. You can replace 0 with 5. That means continuously you can write like this. 2754 is the answer. 2754 is the answer. That means this 5 you can shift into this right part continuously. I will show you one more example for that. Suppose there is 71 into 74. See how easy it is. Dividing the answer into two parts. Right side part contains 1 into 4. What is 1 into 4? 404. So now multiplication of these two numbers, 49. 7 into 7 is 49. What is half of 7? 3.5. 49 plus 3. What is 49 plus 3.5? 49 plus 3.5 is 52.5. That 0.5, whatever the 5 is there, this 5 you can write here, no problem. So 5254 is your answer. You can check in the calci if you want. 71 into 74 is equal to 5254. Let us take one bigger number if you want. 133 into 132. 133 into 132, right? So here dividing the answer into two parts. So occupancy should be of 2 digits, 06. So 13 into 13 is 169. So what is half of 13? Half of 13 is 6.5. What is 169 plus 6.5? 175.5, right? So that 0.5 you can shift here. This 5 you can write here in the place of 0. So 17556. So 17,556 is the product of 133 and 132. So this is how we multiply those kind of natural numbers whose sum of units digit is 5 and the remaining parts are same. And that remaining part also, when that remaining part is an even number, what to do? When that remaining part is an odd number, what to do? We have clearly discussed in this video. I hope you liked our technique. Please subscribe to our channel, Mark Institute. Thank you.